Okay guys, so I'm gonna be making pulled chicken barbecue sandwiches in my Instapot. This is the Instapot from Pioneer Woman. You can get it at Walmart. And then I'm gonna be making French fries in my air fryer. And you can get this on Amazon. I will have a link for you guys in the description box. And I believe I have a coupon code for you as well. I have been using this a couple of times. I'm still kind of getting used to it, but it's a pretty neat little thing. You can do all kinds of stuff in it. Chicken nuggets. I've heated up chicken fries for the girls for like lunch instead of microwaving them where they get soggy, but I don't want to wait on the oven to preheat, and for them to bake I can put them in here and they'll be done in like less than 10 minutes. So I have been enjoying it. So I'm going to do our fries in there, and I just got these ones. Uh-oh, I said these ones. People don't like when I say these ones. What is it? Ore-Ida? Is that how you say it? Ore-Ida? Anyways, I'm going to season my chicken with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and this Cavender's seasoning. And I actually learned about this from the welder's wife. She does a bunch of cooking videos, and I love her cooking videos. They're my favorite, by the way, but she uses this on everything, so now she has me using it on everything. So I'm gonna just put that on my chicken, and then I'm gonna put it in the Instapot.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready?
Okay, so the recipe that I looked up said to put them in there for 20 minutes, but I ended up putting them in for 30. Well, actually it said 10 minutes, I think, which I thought was crazy. So I ended up doing, I think it ended up being more like 30 minutes. So I would start at 20 minutes and go from there, but I just feel like 10 minutes was definitely not enough, at least not for the thick chicken breast that I had. So I would start out at 20 minutes.
With the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will
So you
always
just push
be
the button, you pick your temperature and your minutes. There's a bunch of other options as well. It comes with a manual. Like I said, I'm still familiarizing myself with it. So I'm gonna do 370. So I push the temperature, and then I'm gonna change it, and then I'm gonna do about, I'm gonna do 15 minutes and see how they look. So when you're ready, you just push and it starts up.
We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
Okay, so now that that fan stopped, I can open and see if they're done. This is what they're looking like. Let's see. They definitely feel done. We have 1 minute left on the chicken. Once it's done, it's going to cue me to vent it and let the steam out before it'll let me open it. Now I'm just gonna turn this. This thing always scares me. And let all that pressure out. And then we'll open it up and see if the chicken's done. Okay, so I did end up adding 10 more minutes, and now it's perfect. It looks like it's cooked just perfect. It's not too dry, and it's definitely done. So now I'm gonna shred it, and then I'll add in the barbecue sauce.
The days of fall are growing old. When I say
had to add just a little bit more barbecue sauce because this one didn't quite cut it, but I did have a lot of chicken in there. And then I'm just gonna leave the barbecue sauce out, and that way if anyone wants to add more to their sandwich, they can. So this is kind of a good way if you have a picky eater or somebody who doesn't like a lot of sauce, then you can just make it a little bit of sauce in the pot and then they can add their own. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the bun.
I will cherish all the love I feel for